Hi guys, it's Dr. Borthwick here. I thought I'd make a wee video just to give you a wee help on this second chemistry task you have to do here from S2. We're looking at the periodic table. So the learning outcome is basically that to learn about the elements in the periodic table. A couple of slides to just go through, what are elements? Elements are made of atoms. Atoms are tiny little particles. As we stand right now, there are about 118 different elements in this world because there's 118 elements on the periodic table. Now, if you go through these slides, first thing is just a wee game of hangman. Click on that link and just spend about 10-15 minutes on it. Quick wee thing if you ever thought about, atomic numbers. Each element has a specific number. So for instance, hydrogen's 1, oxygen's 8. That number tells you what the element is. So it's its own number, okay? Most elements have just one letter, that's a symbol. Some of them have two. Some of them are a bit funny, nothing to do with the actual letter of the letters involved with the actual name of the elements. For instance, the iron Fe. You can maybe have a wee look at that if you're interested. Here's a really good periodic table. It has all the atomic numbers and the symbols going across. So split up into various different groups, but just to get a hang of like what atomic numbers are, used to using this periodic table, you look them up and try and make words out of them. So for instance, here I've done this, looked for 74. So I go and look for 74. Where is 74? It's over here. It's got atomic number is W. So the atomic number for this element is 74 and the element symbol is W. So I look up the symbols. Next one is 85. So if I go to 85, it's AT. So far I've got WAT. Then I've got 6. 6 is dead easy. It's carbon, it's C. And then finally, number 1, which we looked at already, it's hydrogen. Okay, that spells out watch. So try the others there. You just write it on here on this on these slides. You've all got your own individual slides. Room for another couple if you fancy doing that. It's extra marks. Now, the rest of it is you're going to be spending a bit of time looking at researching 3 different elements. So I've opened up pages at the end here. You can put as many slides as you like, but we're recommending, about 3 slides per element. What do you need to find out about these elements? Well, the 3 elements I'd like you to look at are any elements between 1 and 20, any element in the transition metals, and then any element that you're interested in. So from that, what do we want? We want what's the element's name, symbol, and atomic number? Can you find a picture of it? Can you work out what state it is at room temperature? That's from your previous assignment, solid, liquid, and gas. Can you find the minimum of the next 3 of these? So on a slide, put any of these 3 of these things. You don't need to put them all, but if you've got time, you may put them all. So what's its use? Discovery, the cost here in the UK, and any interesting extra fact. And the 4th thing is really important. So further up school, when you do any web searches, you really always need to put what their web addresses are. So they must appear on your slides. Where did you get that research from? Extra mark for originality. Use a maximum of 3 slides. So that would be 9 slides added on to the end of this. So you can just go in here and add in the slides. Now I've given you a couple of wee heads up here. There's a couple of sites you might want to go and look at. Just click on these links. There's interactive periodic table. That's quite fun. You click on the elements you're interested in. There's wee videos about each one. Similarly, the second one as well. Well, good luck, guys. As usual, please let me know if there's any issues with this assignment and if you're having any problems completing it. Good luck and thanks very much. Bye.